Okay, I'll show you how to simplify this expression down to what they have here, down here. Alright. Alright, first thing is that since you have a square root and the cubed, so I'm gonna actually use only two of them and leave the one alone. So you have, this is equal to, alright, you have 4/3 pi, so that's just a constant here, right? Right? Then you have three of these guys. So you have basically square root of 1 over 320 pi, right? So I'll put two of them right here, 2, right? Then you have another, since its power is 3, so you have another square root of 1 over 320 pi, right? But since you have a square root and square, so they basically cancel out, and which gives you, right? Then you can see that here there's pi on top and there's pi on the bottom, so you can cancel those, right? Then you have 4 and the 320, so 4 cancel out, right? And that'll be 80. 4 times 8 is 32, and you have 0, so 80. Alright, so what's left is 1 on top over, right? 3 times 80 is 240. Alright, then you have a square root of 1 over 320 pi. Alright, then let's see. Square root is actually, you can take the square, maybe I should rewrite this right here. Alright, square root of 1 over square root of 1 over 320 pi would be 1 over square root of 320 pi, because square root of 1 is 1 anyway, right? But 320, right, has, let's see, 260 and 280 and 240 and 220, 210, right? 25, right? So 320 is let's see, how many twos? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 twos. So 2 to the 6 times 5, right? So if you take the square root of 320, you get like 2 to the 6 with a square root, it would be 2 cubed, and the square root of 5. Right, that's the same thing as 8 square root of 5. Right, so this is going to be, right, so you can pull out 8 from there. So 1 over, right, 240 times 8 is, so 0 times 8 is 0. 4 times 8 is 32, right? 2 times 8 is 16, so 1920, right? So that's pulled out, and 1 over, actually maybe put it in the same denominator. So there's 5 inside the square root, so it's a square root of 5, and of course there's pi still there, so you have pi, right? So that's why they have this expression right here, right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.